Let me show you how to make this super quick and moist Christmas loaf cake recipe. It is honestly so easy to make and it tastes absolutely delicious. You will probably want to make it all the time, not just for the holidays. To make this simple fruitcake, start by adding 1 cup of unsalted butter, which is 225 grams, into a large mixing bowl. Then add 3/4 of a cup of sugar, that's 150 grams, and beat them together with an electric mixer until the mixture looks light and creamy, as you can see in the video here. Next, add 3 eggs to the butter and sugar mixture. I like to crack them into a separate bowl first, just to make sure none of them are bad, and to avoid getting any bits of shell into the batter. While I'm adding the eggs, go ahead and hit the like button if you're enjoying the video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more easy baking recipes. Now give the butter, sugar, and eggs another good mix with an electric mixer, just until everything's well combined and smooth. Next, take a sieve and sift the flour into the bowl. Add the baking powder to the flour and sift them through together. This helps remove any lumps and ensures everything is mixed evenly. It also helps the cake come out soft and light when it is baked. Use a spatula to give everything a good mix until the flour is fully incorporated. You do not need to overmix it, just make sure there are no dry patches left and the batter looks smooth and even, as you can see in the video here. Next, add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. It brings that sweet, warm flavor that really comes through once the cake is baked. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. After that, pour in 1/4 cup of milk. It loosens up the batter a bit and helps everything mix more smoothly. Use an electric mixer to give the batter a quick mix, just until it all comes together and looks smooth. Next, add 100 grams of sultanas, 50 grams of raisins, 50 grams of currants, a small handful of chopped sweetened bits of orange or lemon peel, and 50 grams of chopped nuts. Give the batter another quick mix so everything is evenly combined. You can use any mix of dried fruit you like. I also like to add some sweet cherries at this point because they're my favorite and they make the cake look festive and taste even better. Next, take a loaf pan that is covered with parchment paper. Make sure the paper sticks out just a little over the edges. That makes it easier to lift the cake out once it is baked and cooled. Pour in all the cake batter, using a spatula to scrape down the sides of the bowl so you do not leave any behind. Gently spread the batter so the top is nice and even. You do not need to press it down, just smooth it out so it bakes evenly and looks good when it comes out of the oven. I also like to sprinkle some sultanas, some raisins, and a few cherries over the top of the batter before putting the cake in the oven. It adds a little color and sweetness, and gives the top a nice finish once it is baked. It is a simple touch, but it really makes the cake look more inviting and feel a bit more special. Bake the cake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius or 338 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 to 60 minutes until your kitchen smells absolutely amazing and the top of the cake is golden brown. You can also poke a toothpick into the middle. If it comes out clean, the cake is ready. This Christmas loaf cake is soft and moist all the way through. It's not overly sweet, but the fruit gives it little pops of flavor and just enough richness. The texture is smooth with a bit of chew from the fruit, and if you added nuts, there's a nice little crunch too. If you liked this simple and moist fruitcake, you'll want to try this rich fruitcake here too. It is just as easy to make, but it has a deeper flavor and a more intense, festive taste thanks to extra fruit and a richer batter. Check it out now!